I brush your teeth.
Mm-hmm. Brush your teeth. Want to open it? Ah.
Here's the lip. Oops.
I think that one's the same, Josie.
Why don't you, I'll open this one. Why don't you see if there's anything else in there? Daddy, open it. See if there's anything else in your stocking.
There's a sticker.
Mm-hmm.
Panties. Those are panties.
They are panties.
One more time.
One
Okay.
more time, okay. Here. Here. Oh, you got it. Alright. Is your whole chin covered? It's good, huh?
For 10.
No,
Yeah,
it's
put
for your
some-
lips. Daddy was teasing you.